Good day everyone. I'm going to present my laboratory exercise about integrating RabbitMQ and Apache Kafka to build a simple notification system. A messaging system allows a producer to send messages while consumers receive and process those messages in real time. So first, ang atong unang buhaton is i-check sa nato kung atong localhost is ma-access ba. So i-search nato ang localhost sa RabbitMQ. Then as you can see, wala siya na-access because wapa nato na-activate siya through CMD prompt. So what we're going to do is madto sa atong local disk, then pangitao nato ang RabbitMQ nga server. Then press the version and the spin. Tapos press the research and type CMD. Then diri i-type lang nato ang RabbitMQ-server. Press enter. Tapos kung may ani na siya, it means okay na siya. So balik na pud ta sa ato ang Microsoft Edge ug i-search nato balik ang RabbitMQ localhost. Ug naa na siya. And after starting or activating RabbitMQ, we're going to proceed in starting or activating Kafka. And in Kafka, there are two things or types that needs to activate. So we're going to start with the first, which is Kafka Zookeeper. So first, still pareha sa RabbitMQ, pangitaw na to folder sa Kafka. Then, press or click bin and click Windows. And diri sa search is i-type na to ang CMD. Then I have notes of the Zookeeper prompt. So we're going to copy paste it and press start. Next is mo proceed na punta sa ikaduha nga type sa Kafka, which is Kafka server. So copy paste lang ta sa naka notes na prompt, then enter. Our system is composed of four main components. First is the producer, which sends messages. Second is RabbitMQ, which acts as a message broker. Third is the bridge, which connects RabbitMQ to Kafka. And lastly, the Kafka consumer, which receives and displays the message. So the flow of our system is producer to RabbitMQ, to bridge, to Kafka, and to consumer. By the way, I have a code in VS Code. The first class is producer.py. In the producer file, we use the Pika library to connect to RabbitMQ. We declare a queue named notifications and then we send a message into that queue. This message will be picked up by the bridge later. Second is called bridge.py. The bridge is responsible for connecting RabbitMQ to Kafka. It listens to the notifications queue from RabbitMQ. Once a message is received, it sends that message to a Kafka topic called notification topic. So basically, it converts the message flow from RabbitMQ into Kafka. Next is Kafka consumer.py. In this part, the Kafka consumer listens to the notification topic. Whenever a message is received, it decodes and prints the notification in the terminal. And last, I also implemented a simple API using Flask. This allows users to send messages through an HTTP request instead of directly running the producer file. Once the API receives a message, it sends it to RabbitMQ. So the question is, do we need the code to run from both VS Code and CMD? The answer is no, because both are optional, either sa VS Code ka na terminal or sa CMD. They are the same thing, just different interface. But now as a demo, we're gonna try to use both. So first, we're gonna try to use CMD. So first, we're gonna look for a folder where we created the for file or class of a code. Then click the search bar and dara ka mag-type sa CMD. So now natog type ang Python space producer.py, and before we enter, muna tong message, goodness gracious. So muna tong ipadala sa RabbitMQ. And as you can see, the message is sent to RabbitMQ. And PS, di sa nato siya i-check kung nigana ba siya. Dito nato siya i-check sa VS Code, which is ang ikaduha nga interface. Anyway, after ma-finish ang Python producer.py, balik na sa folder og i-type na pod sa search bar ang CMD. Then i-type ang Python space bridge.py. And here's the result. Waiting for messages received from RabbitMQ, the message goodness gracious and sent to Kafka. And after that, the same gihapon ang buhaton. So type lang ang Python space Kafka consumer.py. And as you can see, these are the notifications the consumer received. And now that we're done of the first interface, we're gonna try to use the second interface, which is the VS Code. Kung makita nato sa localhost sa RabbitMQ, 0 pa ang message sa ready. It means wala pa sa queue ang message. And now, i-run nato siya through VS Code, just like the CMD. So same, instead of Python, pwede ra i-short to py. So py producer.py. And it said it's sent to RabbitMQ, ang message na goodness gracious. So let's see. As you can see, naanay isa ka message na naka-ready sa queue. If we scroll down and click the get message, we can see na na-receive na sa RabbitMQ ang message na goodness gracious. After that, we're going to proceed to another class or file, which is the bridge.py. So the same gihapon ang process as before. After running sa bridge.py, madto na punta sa RabbitMQ localhost ug i-check nato, and as we can see na 0 na ang message sa ready. Why? Because RabbitMQ is not a storage like a database, it's a message pipeline. So when a consumer or bridge.py is running, it instantly takes the message. So now ang queue nato is 0 messages. Next is Kafka consumer.py, and same as before, i-type lang ang py space Kafka consumer.py. And the result is still the notifications the consumer get. And optional na sa pag-run ang API.py because API servers don't do something immediately. They just wait until you send a request. In conclusion, we successfully implemented a messaging system using RabbitMQ and Kafka. RabbitMQ is used for reliable message queuing, while Kafka is used for real-time streaming. By integrating both, we created a scalable and efficient notification system. That's all. Thank you for listening.